Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Saturday, and it's not a typical Saturday. This is the Saturday of a Santa Claus Parade. This is the biggest event for Christmas in my city, and everyone's going to be downtown. But I wanted to know, is it going to be a day that I'm going to make money? Or is everyone at the Santa Claus Parade? Is it going to be slow and I'm going to make money later? I wanted to find out. I debated on going out. I wasn't sure, but I'm going out to see if Santa's going to put me on the nice list or the naughty list. But so far, it's looking like the nice list is going to win. We're starting off with this one. $11. Yes, that magic 11. That one that's going to give an $8 tip or more. Uber loves to hide it when it shows 11 even. So I'm going to make that $11. It's only going to take 14 minutes or less. This restaurant, sometimes it's ready, sometimes it's not. Let's really hope it's ready. We can get this down in under 10 and we'll start the night off great. 5958, perfect, thank you.
There you go, sir.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Have a great night.
You too. Hi there, I have your dinner for you. Do you have a PIN number?
2970.
2970.
Is that because it's the first time?
I'm never sure why.
Okay.
I get it probably once a night where someone has to put it in there. If it's the first time, probably.
It's probably the first
Or
time.
if you've had an issue, I think it could happen. Like if just say you had to leave a door and then you said it didn't show up and, you know, who knows, and they just want to validate it.
Yeah.
Probably because it's the first time. Hopefully you don't have to do it again.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a wonderful night. So that last delivery took way longer than I wanted it to. It was at least a 10-minute wait, 7 minutes to get to the drop-off, but it was that magic 11, so let's hope that I make more than 11 on that one. But you know what's also going to make more than 11? Take a look at this one. $15.28 for 24 minutes. Absolutely, yes, bring it on. I know it's 2 pickups, but $15, 24 minutes, I love it. Santa's going to keep me on the nice list tonight, baby. Let's go grab it. Hi, Ubereats pickup for Jason. Hi, Ubereats for Amy.
Late? You came a little bit early, right?
I'm sorry?
You came a little bit early, right?
I thought I was coming late because I was waiting at a different restaurant.
No, it's a 12-minute early, so that's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's ready? Perfect, thank you. So something interesting happened after that last drop-off. I'm always curious what the base pay is, so I looked for the notification that came, and it said $16.34. More money popped up than the offer was even worth. I started to wonder if there was 2 no tips and it was just huge base pay. That didn't make a ton of sense to me, so I looked into it. Automatically, I saw a $13 tip. I didn't have to wait the hour, it was right in there. That first offer I had, it gave me a $3 base pay and I'm waiting for that $8 plus. But this one, I got it right away. I've never seen that before, or I haven't seen it in a very long time. Comment down below, have you seen this before? Is it a glitch on my end? Did I just get the money early? Who knows? As long as I get it, I really don't care. But something else I don't mind is this offer, $7.38 for 9 minutes. This is easy money. It's around the corner. This restaurant is almost always ready. Let's go grab it. Hi, DF922? Yes, thank you. You too. So far, this night is on fire. That one only took about 6 minutes because it was ready and literally right around the bend. And as soon as I dropped it off, I got this one, $8.34, 17 minutes. Let's keep the night rolling. I don't know what this Santa Claus Parade's all about. Maybe people are skipping it. I don't know. I don't care. I'm making money. Let's go grab it. Perfect. Thank you. So unfortunately, the offers have started to slow right down. I've just been declining or waiting for an offer. This one came in, I debated for a little bit, but I took it. $21.61, 42 minutes. It doesn't seem too bad, but I'm going further than I'd like. The mileage is way too long. I just want to try to grab what money there is tonight. I don't know the impact of the Santa Claus Parade. People are just not ordering. Who knows? I was off to a really good start, but now it's starting to simmer. Let's go grab it, and hopefully we keep the night rolling. Ubereats for Caitlin.
Caitlin, 1T102.
That is it, yes.
Yes, 2 back.
Perfect, thank you. So I have some great news. Remember that order that gave me the tip right away? It was a double order. Well, another $2 came in from that. So I think that first person tipped $13. It came in right away. And then the 2 was that hour wait. I didn't even realize it until I went back and then noticed that it was an $18 order, actually $18.24, something like that, for only 20 minutes. Yes, thank you, Mrs. Customer. I really appreciate it. For the last 15 minutes, I've just been getting no tip orders or really, really low offers or areas I just don't want to go to. This one came in, so I took it. $7.24, 17 minutes. It's only a few kilometers. Why not? Let's take it. Oh, well, I'm going to go grab that. If you could like this video, subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate it. And if you ring the notification bell, that'd be awesome too. Hi, Uber Eats for Jen. Perfect, thank you. So I wasn't sure what to do with that last order. It said meet at door, but there was a message on there that just said, please leave it at the door. I knocked, no one came to the door, so I'm assuming they just wanted me to leave it. I left it, done, finito. And right away, believe it or not, even though I've had such bad orders, I got this one, $7.18 minutes. I know it's not the best, it's definitely not the worst on a night like tonight. Gonna take what I can get. Hi, Uber Eats for Charles? Uber Eats for Charles? Charles A? Perfect, it's ready, thank you.
You're welcome. Can you please just verify the pickup?
Not a problem. Perfect, thank you. Hi, delivery for Charles.
Charles, again.
Thank you.
It's already paid for?
It's paid for, we're all good.
We'll eat his stuff then.
Okay, thank you. So that's gonna bring my night to a close. My grand total at around the 4-hour mark is $81.14. I knew if I stayed out longer, I could probably get to that $100 mark, but I'm not feeling up for it tonight. I'm gonna call it a night. $81 in my pocket, over $20 an hour, I'll take it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.